America. Here today, we are in Texas bean store, holding in Kainji, Texas, one of the biggest microbean hydroponic growers in Texas, and they are using our Coir America's Coco Coir product from the beginning till they sell it. It's amazing that we are excited to see the facility today, and today we are here to meet San Diego, their custom-age bean and propagation commodities. Yes, and it's going to be a great day today to look through all their to see how Coir America's product is benefiting our customer. Here we go.
Here in Sowen area, we have found Coco Coir to be very useful for us since we switched from other media to Coir America Coco Coir. We've had a huge impact in our operation because with other media we had so much mess with because it was so dusty. With this Coco Coir, with Coir America's Coco Coir, we just save so much time with keeping everything clean. Also every time we were using our products, we would have to use our masks, and it was just very, very difficult to handle the product. One of the main things that we like about Coir America's Coco Coir is the way it comes packaged. It goes with the super sacks. It's just so easy to handle. You put it up here in the mixer, lift it up, open it, and you get the product. And you run it through the tray sealer, and you see here how uniform it is. With other media, you wouldn't be like that. And with other media, at the end of the workday, you would just have this whole place filled with dust, and it was just so messy, and which is, we would waste so much time cleaning. So here you can see how uniform the tray comes out. It's very important for us to have this uniformity, and also how clean it is. For us, it's very important because it's the first process. It's the first step of the whole process. So if you don't get it right here, you're not gonna get it right over there. So one of the other reasons that we like this Coir America's Coco Coir so much is because how it works with our seeding machine. With previous products, we would have problems with the hole puncher because the other products, once you added moisture to it, they will get sticky. So you would pretty much have to work with a dry product, which made it even messier because you couldn't add too much water to it because it would stick to the hole puncher in the sewing machine. So here you can really see how clean this Coco Coir is. Normally with other media, if you run through the station, you would have just mud under the table. With this, you don't get the cleanness, how clean it is. No mess. You just went through 3 phases and we barely made any mess. So here you can really see what I was talking to you about, how clean this Coco Coir is. With previous media, we would have just so much mud after you ran it through the water station. With this, it just holds water so well, and it's like a sponge. We don't get any of that mud under our table. So like I said, it saves us a lot of time with cleaning, which that's a huge thing for us. At this stage is where we've seen the most difference with Coir America's Coco Coir as compared to other medias that we used before. With other medias, we would have problems with humidity, how much water retainance. Other media didn't retain as much water as this Coco Coir does. So that's very important because at this stage, when they're just coming out of the germination chamber, they need a lot of water, they need a lot of humidity because they need to hold those nutrients in there for them to grow and grow as healthy plants. So with other media, we would have a lot of problems. As soon as we would take it out of the germination chamber, it would dry out fast. Also, once the other medias that we use, once it dries out, it becomes permeable. So there's no way you can moist it up again once it dries out completely. It becomes like a rock. You can't add water to it. It doesn't absorb water. With this cocoa, during these times of year, during summer where it gets really hot, even though it dries out, it doesn't get hard, and even though it gets dried up, it still absorbs water as compared to other products that we've used before. Okay, so I was during sowing, I was talking to you guys about uniformity. So here you can see one of the trays how uniform it is. You see every single plant, it's the same size. They are all seated in the middle of the hole, and that's one thing that's very important because at the time of transplanting, you don't want the plants falling over. You want it to be as uniform as possible. You don't want any plant. It even got watered, so it's like once it dries out a little bit. One thing is it doesn't become impermeable once it gets really dry. With the other media, you would like. As soon as during summer, if it dried up a little bit, it will be impossible to get it wet again. But it would just become like a rock. So one of the main products that we grow here at Texas Green Star is basil. We've seen a huge impact with Coir America's cocoa coir in our basils because basil, since it's grown in bunches, it tends to consume a lot of water. So water retention is very important for us in the basil because, like I said, it takes a lot of water for basil to grow. It doesn't need a lot of water to grow, but with Coir America's cocoa coir, we've seen a huge impact in our basil. Since Coir America's cocoa coir is free of pathogens, which had such a, good impact on the plants. It just grows so much healthier. Like I said, water retainance, we used to have a lot of problems with fungus in our basil before due to like overwatering. Since we switched to Coir America's cocoa coir, our plants have been a lot happier, a lot healthier, a lot better root growth, especially in our basil, and no fungus. Okay, so we're here at the final stage of our operation. Here's where the plants are transplanted. They're put into the NFT systems. Here's where we've also seen a huge impact with Coir America's cocoa coir since the switch to it. Because, like I mentioned before, how it folds, how well it holds the root, and also how clean it is. With previous product before, we would have as soon as we would transplant it and put it into the NFT, it would just disintegrate and it would just crumble apart. Here you can see how it looks just like it came out. It's dug back, it's all in the root well. You can also see how healthy the root is, which that's where you can see all the anything that the plant's lacking is sick or not. You see it through the root. Also, because it's free of pathogens, like I said before, you get such a healthy root growth and just a healthy growth in general. And look, I'm handling this with my bare hands. Look, it's not dirty, it's clean. So that's one of the main reasons why we love these products so much. It's crucial for us to not have so much mess. So with previous media that we used before, it was just so messy. Like, you couldn't handle it like this. You would just have, I have a little bit, but it's normal, And also, it's important for it to be clean because when you take it out, it's wet and like you can squeeze it. And look, it's just water that's coming out. You don't get any like mud at the time of packaging. That, everything is clean. You don't want anything dirty around it. So it's so easy to handle, and the product is so clean. It has saved us so much time. I mean, it has saved us at least 2 hours a day of cleaning. No filters, NFT channels, sprays, everything that has to do with the operation. It has saved us time with the whole cleaning process. And in this industry, time is money. So you want to save as much time as you can, and you want to you want to have it's smooth. So you want to have everything as clean as possible. I mean, our product has been amazing. We've had our plants grow as healthier as ever. It's been very easy to market. Since Coir America, they're organic certified. We are an organic certified company, so it's a win-win situation for us. So we're very, very, very happy with Coir America's scope of work. The way they treated us and the way they worked with us, it helped us throughout this process of switching from a different media to Coir America's scope of work.
Thank you, Santiago. It's a wonderful survey of thought. This is something to movement. And it's great to see our product from the scratch, from the beginning of the past till the year with the PLC. There is amazing to start the usage and how you encounter our workers. It's so much be associated with Texas-based stuff. Hearing a wonderful customer for passing words and see that they're growing and growing, and would like to do more and more. And to you, we also will work together. This is entertainment also.
Well, thank you guys for coming here. Honestly, thank you guys for helping us out with the process. You guys really not want to raise product that will when the app is really. Been OPT working with you guys for a really long time. Keep around there and say.
Also, check them out. And